Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Yamaha FJ-09. This is the Adventure Sport Touring 3-cylinder, 850 cc's. This thing is super powerful, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got a lot of cool upgrades on it, including flush mount turn signals, hand guards, a really nice custom size GV windscreen with adjustable mounts, GV 47-liter mono key, quick release tail case, fender eliminator, new tires, only 27,000 miles, and this bike is priced to sell at $69.99. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Oh yeah, it's also got a seat concept saddle. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.